Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. We are back with another K-pop reaction for you here today. And we're back with BTOB. It's been a minute.
It's been a minute.
Yeah, but
neglected.
I don't think we've neglected them. I think we have just not been. The natural rhythm of the channel has meant that they've had a couple of weeks out of the spotlight.
Yeah.
But they're back.
Yeah.
It's hard for us to know exactly where to jump in with BTOB because it would seem
such a long
yeah, and they seem like a different group every time we see them.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So for this
honestly,
group,
I want the old stuff because it cracks me up.
Yeah. Like the bit where they're still finding their way.
Yeah.
Where it's obvious that their talent is there, but it's not being put to best use by their channel.
Yeah.
By their company. So we are entirely dependent on recommendations at the moment to guide us through our BTOB journey. We're going to do beep beep.
Beep beep.
Yeah. I've noticed this video is of 15.
Oh.
So...
Oh, we're going to have more bending over and spreading our cheeks.
Maybe. Yeah, maybe. I'm not ready for it if that's what's going to happen. I wonder what it takes to... I wonder if it just means someone's having a drink.
Oh, maybe.
Who knows? Well, let's find out.
Shall we?
Yeah, this is BTOB with Beep Beep. Beep Beep. And we're along for the ride.
Oh, let's go!
There they are.
Action. Action. BTOB in the place to be. Action.
Ready, set,
Like we ain't got subs. Oh, a little winky wink.
Yeah, I accidentally turned on subtitles. Chang sub. Now, it's nothing but respects. I'm not sure he can pull off the riding shotgun. Like,
Why do I feel like he's also going to kill me?
this does seem like it just seemed like right. No, we definitely don't make that joke. Right. Yeah, he seems crazy. Yeah. I was about to give examples of crazy. It's not good. I need to see him trying to do that again.
Huh?
Yes.
What is it?
Oh my god.
Oh.
You know, right.
What? Like one of them will get us.
Yeah. I love them with all my heart. Right.
So much.
They are, in so many different ways, my favourite of so many different things.
Yes.
The particular kind of charisma they have is, I don't think, well matched to this particular vibe. Am I out of line there?
It might have been fine. Now.
Yeah. How did this play out back in the day?
I bet it was fine.
Was it? Could you see then what we know now?
But can you imagine, like, Stray Kids in like 10 years, and then looking back at some of the videos?
But Stray Kids don't have, like, Stray Kids' talent is doing what Stray Kids are currently doing, right? Like, they're not going to be able to have 8 of them, all 8 stood in line, singing a glorious ballad, because that's not what suits them.
Yeah.
I think I'm glad they found themselves.
Yeah.
I'm not sure. Jungkwang in this is convincing. By the way, let's just get on with it. Let's get on with it. I love it so much. That's
Paul's in exactly the same space. You better use that as a thumbnail. You better.
I don't know. I can't.
시금전패에 불면증에 내 길이가 남기고 가서 무창 고맙다 만드는 사양할게 사실 나서 터지니까 그래 솔직히 지금 기분도
I feel like I need to know the lyrics to this song.
I do know what you mean. Yeah, I know what you mean.
I need to know what.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
going
Because
on.
if the lyrics show that their tongue's in their cheek a bit, then I think we're okay.
Yeah.
Otherwise, this does feel a bit like.
What's happening?
Is this just a relic of K-pop past?
Maybe.
Right, like is this just we just weren't into it at this point,
Yeah.
and it's like reacting. It would be like us reacting to like Bewitched or something now.
Don't hate on Bewitched.
No, what I'm saying is like if one of our kids watched that,
They'd love it.
I don't think they would.
Maybe not.
No.
Carry on.
He's good. I mean, I love him.
Yeah.
Chang Sub, man, just I picked him out in this one as
You have.
as the open-mouthed man.
시금전패에 불면증에 내 길이가 남기고 가서 무창 고맙다 만드는 사양할게 사실 나서 터지니까 그래 솔직히 지금 기분도 참 뭐 같으니까
I love that. That's really good. Fast as well.
Yeah.
들렸던 네맘 말아 두근댔던 시간 가고 마음 아파나 잠도 안 와 난 네가 미워 먹고 자고 또 뒤척이다가 네 생각에 눈물이 나요 답답해 운전을 하다가 흘러나오는 음악에 빵빵 경적 소리 오늘따라 거슬리네요
Can't do it.
Oh, here we go.
오늘따라 또 왜 이리도 좋은지 네가 또내 옆자리에 텅 빈 채 우리 추억만 채워가 나는 오늘도
They knew. They knew back then.
What, would we be reacting? I'd be completely confused by the random piano.
Yeah.
What?
I love it. I love it. It's brilliant. They're in on the joke.
나는 오늘도 먹고 자고 또 뒤척이다가 네 생각에 눈물이 나요 답답해 운전을 하다가
Oh man.
경적 소리 오늘따라 거슬리네요
Bad mini cars.
난단체로 경적만 울려대 빵빵 내 출발은 기본 고속도로 왕야운데 120이라도 벌어볼까 해나 모르겠다
He's adorable.
Yeah.
미쳐버리는 척이라도
He's got a proper wild-eyed thing about him though.
Yeah.
Like you do look at him and you think like when they go out.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I bet he's mental.
Yeah.
Yeah.
헤이야리가 돌아올까 사태가 심각해 근처 환경 자리를 찾아 그래봤자 소리만 빽 지르고
Yes. Love a domino.
I love it.
Yes. I love it.
I still don't quite know what I just watched.
No. No.
I need to know the lyrics. There are some videos I can watch and not need to know the lyrics.
Yeah.
But there are some that just confuse me.
Yeah. I think we'll have to do some research, won't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's so hard to consolidate all of the thoughts
Inside your brain.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because
I've kind of just, my brain is just broken.
Yeah.
I'm like, what have I just watched?
Firstly, why is that video 15?
Yeah.
Your glasses, I can't stand it.
Yeah, my glasses has not worked out what I've seen.
So, the vocals are there.
Oh yeah, like the song is super catchy.
Yeah, super catchy.
Yeah.
A little bit too catchy, right? Like,
You think it's like a
Yeah, I do wonder if there's a bit of self-parody
So I see what you mean.
in there.
Yeah.
Like, and the bit where they're standing by the piano in their suits kind of helps me get to that conclusion a bit.
Were you worried that it wasn't?
No, I don't think I was right. It wasn't. Like, they're clearly having fun, right? And
You were worried it wasn't you?
It couldn't have been. But they're obviously just like, it just depends on which joke they're making, right?
Yeah.
Like, are they making the joke to say, look, we're just letting it all hang out, like, we just have fun with us.
Yeah.
Let's be silly and a bit goofy.
Yeah.
Oh, it's good. It's so good. I love it. I love it. We enjoyed the dance practice to previous B2B songs.
Oh God, yeah.
Shall we?
Yes.
Thank you very much for joining us. We will see you at the next one.
Yes. Bye-bye.